In this video, I'm gonna give you the best free tool that can reduce your picture size. And also you can control the quality and the resolution of the picture. So we're gonna use a website called squoosh.app. After you go to this website, it will appear this way. All you need to do is to drop or drag the picture. For example, I have this thumbnail with a size of almost 2 megabytes. I want to reduce it. How? At the right you can see where you can control the quality. So I advise you guys to put it at 95%. As you can see, it reduced by 98%, and you can keep 95% of the quality of the original picture. So you tell me, why don't I put it 100? So let's try put it at 100. As you can see, it reduced only by 32%, which is not good. So the best settings out there is 95%. As you can see, you can drag and see the difference of the quality of the original and the reduced picture. After you finish, you click on download and it will start downloading. As you can see, this is the original thumbnail with the size of 1.65 megabytes, and this is the reduced image with only 200 kilobytes. So this is how to reduce the size of your picture. And this is it, guys. See you next time.